I so appreciate Real Producers Magazine. These people came to town and filled a void. These are our peers right here in Northern Arizona, and the magazine does a fantastic job with the photography, with the writing, and lets us really get to know these peers of ours, fellow agents, and we get some insight into why they're top producers.
Just allowing everybody to get together has been amazing, and to meet some of the agents from Sedona all the way up to Prescott and to share our stories and to kind of collab off each other. And I think we passed out a handful of cards for just referrals, and just a really neat way to network within the community and, you know, throughout.
I sponsor Real Producers because I built my company on the relationships that I built inside this town, and I value and cherish my relationships with my realtors, and this being a real estate agent-based magazine, so I chose to be a sponsor of Real Producers.
What they stand for and what they do is what I do. They believe in networking with the top 10%, bringing us all together in support of one another in pursuit of all of us being successful. I'm really grateful to be a sponsoring partner.
It's an awesome opportunity to network with our preferred vendors and other agents in our industry. As times become challenging, relationships become more important, and there's no better opportunity than attending a Real Producers networking event.